Hey guys, guess what today is? It came in. Yep, it's in, ladies and gentlemen. It is in. You guys all know what this is. Yes, you do. Yep. So, what is inside the box for those who don't know? Well, for those who do not know, let me go ahead and let me pull up an image for you guys. So, for those who haven't already known this yet, I have been wanting to buy me a very good high quality camera. Needless to say, it's here. So, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Alrighty. But this is really going to come in handy, especially when I start using it. Hold on, guys. Give me a moment. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Sure is an awful pretty small box for a camera like that. Alright. Here it is. What the? Holy crap! Guys, it is... This is like the world's smallest camera right here, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. So we don't need this anymore. And here it is. Just look how small that camera is. It is so small. It's like a little mini, which is pretty much it is. Its waterproof is 30M, which is for deep sea. 30M is... Wait a minute, hold on. Let me go ahead and check that out really quick. So there you guys have it. That's how deep it is. That's how deep it can go. 100 feet deep, just about. Not quite. Close, though. Let me just say, I'm not going anywhere that's going to be about 100 feet, so. This thing has built-in Wi-Fi, and since the camera is so small, the camera has a screen of its own, but it's only a 2-inch screen. But it will not be 2 inches when I upload it to YouTube. So here's what it comes with. Comes with the waterproof housing right up here. Waterproof housing. Handlebar mount. I'm going to start doing biking videos too, so. It's got a helmet side mount. It's got a USB quick charger. Can also be used for my computer too, so. It's got a quick clip. And of course, the USB charger cable. So specifications. This thing here runs 1080p Plus, it's waterproof. Says it right here. 1080p. But it also is in 4K. So I get two options that I can actually use this for. Mostly it's going to be for 4K. 4K is better. Super wide angle lens of 170 degrees. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, 2-inch LCD screen. It's got multi-language. It's for micro SD HC. And here's all the options you get to choose from colors from. All these options. I went with the blue, so. Alright, guys. So now the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's open this bad boy up. Now, this is going to be kind of hard because I don't know how to unbox by using a computer screen that well. Alright. Oh yeah, and just to let you guys know, this thing shipped from Italy. So this thing has seen a lot of cities. And it stopped at Japan, it stopped at Hong Kong, and then it flew all the way to the United States. Then it traveled to California. Oh my god, this thing has seen a lot of cities. So here we go. Just trying to get it perfect for you guys here. This is what's going to change my YouTube channel, hopefully. That's what I bought it for. And it is a $400 camera. Now, you're asking me, hey, why the hell would I want to buy a small camera like this for $400? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I did not have to pay $400. I only paid $30 for this thing. Well, wait a minute. Did something break? Hold on. Nope. It was just a piece of plastic. Oh my god. Alright, so here we go. Oh yeah, and just let you know, there is a return thing. I can have full 14 days till I have to return this. So in case it ever did get broken, I'd be in the safe zone. So here we go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is what's going to make it all possible. So that's pretty much, this bad boy is what's going to change everything. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's put this down on here, on top of my laptop. Very nice and carefully. Alright. Now for the accessories that it came with. Came with a, I can't remember what this is. Oh yeah, now I remember. It's to keep the camera inside from rattling and shaking. Here's a charger. Here's a bracket mount. Camera lens cleaning cloth. Titan mount. It's starting to look like Christmas again, fellas. A rotating bracket mount. USB charger, a oversized clip, which it looks like it's for a harness, for a chest strap. That's what I'm going to be getting next, guys, is a chest strap for my camera. So this pretty much is a GoPro. Double back sticky mounts for your helmet. More sticky mounts with a wire of some kind, I don't know. God, how much stuff do they give you? Well, I mean, if it's about $400 worth, then I should expect a lot. Another, spinning mount. Bicycle bracket mount. Another bracket mount. And another bracket mount. Zip ties. I think this is for your arm. For your camera to mount on your top of your hand. Like so. And another bracket mount. Jeez, how many bracket mounts? God. And, of course, the GoPro instruction manual. So that's pretty much it. That's all $400 worth. A 4K camera. And all this extra stuff. It is just pretty much like Christmas all over again. And here's the best part, guys. My birthday has just ended. So, like, literally, I have Christmas, my birthday, and this camera. So, I mean, like, right now, pretty much, Happy New Year. Well, I am very sorry about that, guys. That's also another thing that why I bought this camera for. When the computer hits a certain time zone, it just cuts your videos. You have no notification or anything like that. So here I was talking to myself, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, this is what's going to make it all possible. It's all in 4K. You can see it. Ultra high definition with, you guys can see it underneath there, that little tiny mark. That's Wi-Fi. So, when it comes unboxed, when you unbox it, you notice that there is a, see that little lip on the lens right there? That's a protective covering. Like, covering that you will get on your brand new phones. You just got, it's sticky paper, pretty much. Now, I assume, because seen on a movie, this right here is the clamp to open it up with. But yeah, pretty much this is how small it is. It's a very, very, very small camera. And it's going to be good for those very tight spaces. And it shoots in 4K. So it's like world's smallest camera, but the best too at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and end it right here. Please check out the other videos I've made. And yes, I am going to be doing a comparison video between a crap phone, which is what I call it. I mean, it's, before I got the GoPro, it's pretty much the best phone I can have. Yes, it's got a crack on the screen because it fell down on the ground. So, it don't even work anymore. Camera still works, though. Camera still works. Still turns on and everything. But I'm going to do a actual side-by-side comparison in picture quality. And you guys are going to see what the problem is with this and why I got this. So other than that, please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you guys later.